easier with the big knife.
You guys making her nervous.
Yeah, don't make Carrie nervous.
Totally fine. So now
You're only being watched by tens of thousands of people as Carrie and Jana make bread.
No, that's Carrie making bread. I already made mine.
Oh, you already made yours. Carrie's doing hers now.
2 dropfuls of these iodine. Nice and
And there's a lot of flour on here now.
Good.
And then I put some oil, right? A tablespoon.
Yes, hold on.
Olive
The
oil.
Tablespoon of olive oil.
See, I was paying attention.
There you go.
Oh, sorry.
Don't wash it. If you wash, it's bad
You
luck.
make us nervous, don't
I don't know.
you? You make it impossible.
That's
Okay,
good.
here we go.
And I put it in the water.
Yes.
It's almost in the water.
Good.
It's got iodine and oil. And
Yes.
now we have the flour, and we have to pepper.
Yeah, you will need pepper. Now put some pepper, and it's to your liking. Really, there is no law how much pepper. This is to mask
No laws,
fruit
it's
flies.
anarchy.
Get rid of the fruit flies?
Yes.
Yeah, it hides the fruit flies.
Make sure
that they fly in.
it's fruit flies.
But tell me how much.
Okay, let's see.
Look.
Yeah, a little more. Because this one is gonna be like,
Ooh,
good.
spicy.
Good.
Yeah.
Now, this is a little different bread than what I made.
Rosemary.
So this is like powder, garlic powder. I have some left. So
And
why don't
what?
we put? Oh, let me clean this. We'll have to do this
Oh,
again.
just bad luck if you clean it after it hits the floor.
Right. Nothing hit the floor.
But
Oh.
yeah, the pepper hides all the fruit flies that might fly in there.
Oh, in other words, you won't know the difference between the fruit fly and the pepper, and so
Exactly.
therefore it's okay to eat.
Same
That's why we
consistency.
do that. But anyway, I know this is
Yeah,
like
it's solid,
okay.
crunchy.
Good. So here we go.
Yeah, so
You
1
need
tablespoon.
Yeah. I got
Listen,
it. Okay.
it's not my day job, but
Yeah.
I'm learning. We all have to have different skill sets
Yes.
for the coming apocalypse.
Yep.
Okay, yeah?
That's it,
Like
yeah,
that?
Yeah, but you need 2 of them.
Oh, 2.
Yeah. So that is good garlicky.
Okay. I love garlic. Ooh.
Good. That's all right. No problem. That's part of a.
I don't want to do that in surgery, though.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry about that, sir.
You don't want to ever say those words.
No. Listen, you have rosemary, and
And then
this is hard. Somehow very little comes out, so
Those big things are okay?
yeah, they're good. They're good. Keep doing it. They're just gonna be a little.
You have to guide me how much is okay.
Yeah, you need. You want it aromatic, and you want this. Yeah, so a little more. Yeah,
That's good. Okay.
that's good. Now, 2 of these of
Tablespoons of
salt.
salt, yeah.
I'm gonna put this away.
Oh, well, this is different kind of salt. What is
Yeah,
this?
this is the ancient salt.
Ancient salt.
Ancient salt, yes.
I
You
put it
know,
where?
salt.
Everywhere?
Yeah, just everywhere.
We dug it up out of the
2.
backyard.
2.
Ancient salt.
Good. Now, this is yeast. The reason I use it is because we want the bread done fast.
It's a
Otherwise-
half teaspoon, right?
No, you need like 3 of those.
Okay, so 1.5.
Yeah. 1
1, 2.
and 3.
I like these glasses.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you need just a little 1/2 a teaspoon of sugar for the yeast to work really well.
To feed the yeast.
Yes,
I know, yeast does like sugar. That's
Yes.
why
Yes.
you get yeasty in your body.
That's chemistry, right?
Yeah, in your body
Okay,
too.
good. Now, we wanna kinda start using your hands, so you just kinda mix it, play with it like a little girl in the dirt. Yep. Good. Yeah, and now we're gonna start adding water, so it's gonna get more interesting because your hand will be really heavy, but don't worry, it's okay.
Just the whole thing?
First one is the whole thing, yeah. Good, I'm gonna prepare you more and start playing.
And that's just regular water?
Yeah, and we need to put Willie in.
Yeah, I forgot about Willie.
No, that's because, it's kinda, our focus is gone. Hold on.
My assistant.
I'm gonna help you to put Willie in, and we're just gonna have to kind of work.
So 2 tablespoons of Willie.
2 tablespoons of Willie.
The metal spoon's okay?
Yeah, it's all right, you just briefly take it, but just don't touch.
I don't touch it?
No, you touch
Oh.
that, but don't
Alright.
touch anything.
You can't touch your spoon.
No. Like, hold on. I know.
Now I can?
Now you can.
Mhm.
Take it, yeah, no.
Mhm.
You just start that. And I will give you more warm water so the really can be worked out better. Alright? You
Yeah.
see?
Mm-hmm.
And you just kinda,
Yeah, that.
we'll take that. Let me take everything else out. You might need more water. I know. And you will burn some calories.
Good. So I can eat more bread.
Yes. Put oil and balsamic vinegar.
Squishy. Gooey.
I don't. You need more.
Yucky.
I don't know. I mean, I'm not a bread person.
Let me see. It's kind of dry.
I think Grandpa's like, I don't want this rosemary.
Oh, Grandpa loves
Everybody is
bread.
watching poor Carrie. I mean, oh my God.
The world will
It's
watch
okay.
you, Carrie.
Listen, this is how you learn.
Yeah.
You will eat my bread. You'll like it. Let them have bread.
Coffee time.
Coffee time. Next
Oh,
time.
what is that? You
That's
made
his
something
little
better.
cake he made from walnuts.
Oh, he didn't share it.
Okay, now hold on.
Yeah, so see,
Tiny
Grandpa
bit.
bakes too. He made
No,
walnut bread.
I'm eating now.
Oh, but he's gonna eat it.
There's nobody like it.
Oh, you didn't share
Okay,
it.
Carrie. Now you need to kind of like use your wrist and start. Yeah. Does it feel wet?
It's,
Yes.
it's moist.
Okay,
I hate
moist.
that word.
Okay. So
Sticky.
now what we do, you cleaned it up pretty much good on the bottom. See, it's kind of clean here. So you prepare this for. That's
Now
where you're
what
gonna
I'm
put
doing.
it. Now you're gonna put it on here
That's a good idea.
and start.
This doesn't look like the way you did it.
It's okay. it
Because
takes
she put
time.
flour on her hands.
No, I don't.
No?
No.
I would think
They
that
put
maybe
flour.
if I had flour in
Hold
my
on,
hand.
it's, you know how this is before you really get a hang of it. This is not easy.
Wait, I'm supposed to do this, right?
Yes.
Oh, you didn't.
Yes. Now think
Oh.
of it as
You gotta
a.
love your bread.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yes.
I had to talk to it like a cheerleader.
You are
You're
making
so good.
a baby.
You're so
No, don't
delicious.
think about it. Good job, though. Yeah.
Good job, bread.
All right. Listen.
What?
It's like
No?
this. What? No, you're doing
Oh,
great.
you
Look,
want
it's
coffee?
great. Yeah, a little coffee. Think of it as a flower,
Yeah.
right? Petals.
You want to?
Petals.
Oh, petals, and then what do you do with the flour?
You can
Just-
make two, ditto.
Oh, you
that.
fold it in.
And
Yeah.
fold it in and push
Yeah.
it. And you fold it into
Okay.
itself,
Okay.
and you push it away.
I get it. So
from each
like
other.
petals of a flower.
It's a little wet, but it's okay because it's gonna be a nice.
Like this.
Yes.
Oh, see?
That's her first
I
time
can-
ever making bread. I'm
You
excited.
can learn.
Hmm.
Can I cook some that thing over there?
Yeah, you can cook whatever you want.
She's like, I'm not gonna eat that bread later.
No, it's gonna be.
Are you
great.
kidding? The bread won't last no time.
Yeah.
Good job, Carrie.
Thank you. Wait, what is this thing?
It's nothing. It's.
It's just kind of like surgery, you know. It doesn't belong, take it out.
Like, it's a foreign object.
Yeah, what is that? I don't know. Can't identify. Take it out. Oops, so
It's an
sorry. That was a spoon.
unidentified bread object, a UBO.
Ah,
A dough object.
Let me touch it. See? Okay. Yeah. There. Not bad. Good. Good. Yes. Now let's see. Let's do does it feel like a
Like a brain?
Yeah,
If
like
you
a
say
brain.
you say something else, I say
baby
brain.
bottom?
Baby bottom. We'll leave it at that.
Well, or a silicone breast implant.
Yes. Yes.
I didn't say anything.
Well, that's it's not a real breast, but a silicone one.
Yeah.
Well, that one.
Well, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this. Jana, Bennun with Dr. Carrie Madaej, baking bread, learning how to bake bread.
We all have to learn different skills now.
That's
Coming.
right. So we got to prepare for all the calamity coming. I guess next we'll probably end up going share with you guys the garden that Grandpa has grown and all the
Yeah,
many
that's
vegetables
great.
and stuff that he has
And
grown
how to
out
look for your
there.
eggs in the forest.
Yes, and how to
Yes.
find the eggs when the chickens are not laying where they're supposed to be. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, we found
So
about
what is this?
Good.
20
Now you just
eggs in the
kinda
forest.
Form it into like a
What am I
little
supposed
ball.
to do? Is it? Are you
Anyway,
sure it's good?
blessings to you all.
Let's see.
Thank you for watching.
You know, it's
Stephen
good
Bennun,
because
Israeli News
some
Live with
breads are
Jana
actually
and Carrie.
without